So are you looking to go to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina? And perhaps you're considering to stay here at Marriott's OceanWatch at Grande Dunes. Well, maybe you also want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like here? Well, let's check out ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we head into our 2-bedroom villa here, 4092, this is a ocean view villa here in the Maple building on the 9th floor. Well, before we head in and take a look at this villa, I just want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love staying at these beautiful resorts, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to subscribe, hit that button down below. Also, click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, so let's head inside our villa here and take a look at this beautiful 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's OceanWatch in Myrtle Beach. As we head inside the villa here, we're going to come into the kitchen and main living area. And first thing we're going to check out here is just a small table with a couple of Myrtle Beach themed art pieces on the wall here. Now let's take a look at the in-room laundry, stacking washer and dryer. This is actually high efficiency, so pretty good washer and dryer in this 2-bedroom villa here at OceanWatch. Definitely very handy. You don't need to pack as many clothes when you're coming here to stay at Myrtle Beach. Now let's take a look at the kitchen here. Not really all that big, maybe enough room for a couple people to work in here, but really not much more. You do of course have all of your small appliances and the big ones too. Microwave, stovetop, oven, full-size refrigerator. There's also a dishwasher in here as well. And just about everything you need in the cupboards, from glassware, dishes, cups, pots, pans, plates, everything, you name it, you pretty much have it here to take advantage of to cook up some great meals during your stay. Now making our way out of the kitchen here, we're going to find the dining room table. This dining room table is not too big. It looks like it would actually seat maybe 7 with that bench along the back. You could probably fit 3 people along that bench. Probably kind of more made just for 6, but you can definitely get an extra person back there. An interesting mirror there on the wall as well. It's pretty big and it's kind of an interesting design. Now let's head into the main living area. Really nice living room here, some nice carpet on the floor. You do have a full-size sofa there that does pull out into a queen sleeper sofa. Some chairs there as well. And you do have your kind of exposed electrical outlets and USB ports here too. There is a really nice, large, flat screen television atop a large TV stand. and underneath that is also a Blu-ray player. Now before we take a look at the master, we're going to take a look at the guest bedroom. A good sized guest bedroom here with 2 queen size beds and nightstands pretty much on all sides. I mean, they had one in the middle and one on each side of the bed. There's also a nice chaise lounge over here along the wall in front of the window, but it is kind of small, so I'm not really sure what type of utility it would have. We kind of just tossed some bags on it. But in here you also have another nice large flat screen television atop a dresser with plenty of storage in there as well. You're also going to find a nice ceiling fan in here to keep you comfortable to circulate the air overnight. And over here towards the foot of one of the beds is where you're going to find the closet for this guest bedroom, a luggage rack, and some extra bedding and pillows. And as well, this is where you're going to find the laundry basket. Now let's head into the guest bathroom. A pretty good sized bathroom here. They are putting the beach towels, pool towels, in the rooms right now because of the current global situation. But you do have a single vanity, a really nice brightly lit mirror, and also in here is a good sized bathtub and shower. Now let's head over to the other side of the living room and we'll check out the master bedroom. A really good sized master bedroom with a king size bed, large flat screen television again on top of a pretty good sized chest of drawers with plenty of storage. Some nice artwork on the walls here, and of course you do have a couple of nightstands and another chaise lounge in here to kind of take advantage of, maybe have a seat, but it really doesn't look big enough to kind of lounge in for any really great lengths of time. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But you do also have some exposed plugins in here on those lamps, and as well as some USB and some other exposed plugins on those little gadgets that they have at the back of the nightstands. Now let's take a quick look inside the closet here. Nothing really overly special here. This is where, of course, you will find the ironing board, some more extra bedding. Perhaps maybe you can even use that on the pull-out sofa that's in the living room. And this, of course, is the closet where you're going to find the in-room safe. Now it's time to take a look at the master bathroom. This is actually a really nice master bathroom. Some additional storage in here to definitely take advantage of, along with a really good sized double vanity. We really liked the amount of counter space in this master bathroom. Is not only did you have that double vanity, but you also had kind of some extra counter space up on top of that additional storage there. And just like the guest bathroom, you do have a really nice lighted mirror. We've been seeing that a lot in a lot of the Marriott villas. They've been putting those brightly lit mirrors in. Definitely gives the bathroom a lot of light. There is also a pretty good sized soaking tub. Not a jetted tub, it is just a soaking tub here. No jets, but definitely something you can take advantage of if you want to take a nice bath one day during your trip. You are going to find, of course, a full-length mirror on the back of the water closet, I guess they call it. We'll head in there and take a look. This is where you're going to find a toilet, along with not really, I don't know what the deal is with this. A pretty disappointing master bathroom shower in here. Just not very big, but hey, I guess it will work for the amount of time you're going to be here at OceanWatch. Just really wish that they could have maybe have provided a little bit bigger master bathroom shower here. So now that we've seen the inside of this villa, it's time to head outside and take a look at the balcony. There is a sliding glass door here, but be really careful. I didn't actually get video of this, but there is a huge kind of lip at the bottom probably to prevent water intrusion in the event of hurricanes. But be careful, there is a big sign on it to say, watch your step. All right, so we've now moved out here onto the balcony of our 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's OceanWatch in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And yeah, we actually have a pretty good view of the ocean here. This is, of course, an ocean view villa. But yeah, fairly decent view. You can kind of see the buildings are a little bit in the way behind me, but not too bad. But otherwise, a pretty nice balcony. You do have 4 chairs and a table. Unfortunately, no ceiling fan, but that's kind of common here at ocean resorts. I think the salt air kind of breaks those down pretty fast. Something else I noticed out here, there is no plug-in on the balcony, so if you're wanting to do some work while you're here, maybe plug in a laptop, something like that, you're gonna have to run an extension cord inside, but then the door isn't gonna close properly, and then you're also not going to be able to keep the AC running inside the villa. So a bit of a disappointment there, but otherwise a really nice balcony out here at OceanWatch. So are you an owner here, or maybe you're a frequent guest? Let me know down in the comments below what you like about these villas here at OceanWatch. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps tell the YouTube algorithm, that famous algorithm, that these are great videos, and to push them out to more people looking to come to Marriott's OceanWatch and even Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. To see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's OceanWatch, check out this one right up here and YouTube. I think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.